Is localized zip compression orchestration reporting the Zip Archive Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. Quickly resolve Zip Archive Library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Zip Archive Library, a generic naming convention for localized zip compression engines used by older installer suites and specific database tools. It manages the multi-threaded extraction of .zip data. If missing, the app will report extraction failed or memory allocation error during the initial asset unpacking phase. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. The QIPCAP Library DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the localized image/video capture logic environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Zip Archive Library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. A quick safety warning: never download files like QIPCAP Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Zip Archive Library Management. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Zip Archive Library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.